GM Series High Shear Mixer and Granulator. GM Series High Shear Mixer is the important process equipment in pharmaceutical solid dosage production industry, which is used for quickly mixing raw materials to form wet granules or soft mass. The design and fabrication process request of the equipment conforms to current cGMP standard with PLC auto control system. The equipment can optimize process flow, reduce labor intensity, and realize bulk production of various recipes and products. The equipment is designed with self-vent vacuum loading function. The materials container is vacuumized by vacuum source through the vacuum filter on the top of the lid. The materials will be sucked into container via loading valve and pipe under the force of negative pressure. After finishing materials loading, the loading valve closes, exhaust valve opens, gear motor drives impeller to make materials move along the inside of container. The spiral tangential force, which generated by the rotating Z-shaped impeller push materials to turn over from the center of container and move forward the side wall of container, and the materials change the movement direction under the force of the hook of impeller edge and a side wall of container. Raise along container wall. When the materials raise to the top of the cone position, they will fall back to the center position due to gravity. The continuous mixing movement makes materials form mechanical spiral fluidized state, realizing even mixing result. After mixing uniformly, the solution spray system automatically works. The clean compressed air in the solution loading tank extrudes the binder from pipe to the sector surface of the nozzle that on the lid of the container, making the binder sprayed onto the materials in sector-shaped surface. The spiral fluidized materials mix with binder adequately, forming homogeneous solid granules. After finishing the granulation, the discharge door opens. The impeller controlled by inverter rotates intermittently and slowly. The wet granules are exhausted from container into wet cone mill. The wet granules are milled by rotating blade to form even granules and exhausted out.